He lives so humble. He's the most humble man in the whole town. And he has the most servant heart. He's like the hands and feet of Jesus in my town. Like, I promise, the way he serves in every little way, like, just. And it's actually shocking he's never been the grand marshal of the community day parade until today, because he's been in this town for, since he was in his 20s, and he's 79. But now, like, today of all days, God lifts the humble. He looks so precious. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so precious. I forgot it was today. Oh, this is so precious. Oh, my sister, my nephew, I'm so happy they were there to support. I wish I was there. Oh my gosh.
Oh no. My Frankfurter. My Frankfurter fell. Oh no. It was really good. I can't believe that I dropped it.
It's okay. The hot dog. Don't worry. Everything's gonna be okay.
It was really good.